Want to start using Afterpay to split up payments for online orders, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Afterpay. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Afterpay, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Afterpay at the top. Tap Afterpay when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Afterpay. That's all it takes to download Afterpay. For more helpful online shopping tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of online shopping tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.